Hey Roblox players, welcome back to World Touch Zone 120. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I've got brand new secret codes for 99 nights in the forest. These codes will give you free rewards, exclusive items, and special boosts in the game. But here's the thing, these codes are limited time only. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because somewhere in this video, there's a hidden secret code that only true fans will find. And hey, before we start, if you love Roblox and want to stay updated with the newest game codes, then hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. I upload the latest codes, gift rewards, and game updates every single day, so you never miss out on free stuff again. Now here's a little challenge for you. Watch the full video carefully and find the hidden code. Then, drop your Roblox username and in-game ID in the comments below. I'll be sending out special gifts to a few lucky players who find the code correctly. So don't skip even a second. You might miss your reward. Alright, are you ready? Let's jump straight into the newest and most powerful codes for 99 nights in the forest.
My life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said when the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, Oh, going Fall into oblivion. I'm going on. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all.
no brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have